everybody! It's Lisa Coffey. Welcome to my Vastu home, Om Sweet Home. Let's go in so I can show you around. Look at my door knocker. The most important thing about having a Vastu house is to have your entryway facing east. Now that's not always possible in some houses the way the land is. But if you have a Vastu consultation, then they can talk to you and figure out based on the property and on your Jyotish astrology chart, how to best situate the home on your lot. But we started from scratch here, so I got my front door facing east. Now you'll also notice that throughout the house, I have these transom windows. And this is a little unusual to have a window like in the middle of a wall, not looking out to the outside. But there's a purpose in this. The purpose for the transom windows is to allow energy to flow from east to west and from north to south. That way it circulates throughout the house really easily. You get a really nice flow. Also in this house, you'll notice that there are certain rooms in certain directional areas. So for example, the puja room, our meditation room or prayer room, is located in the northeast corner. And that is for the element of water. So you want to decorate with water colors or pictures that have water in them, something to bring in that element of water. The kitchen is in the southeast corner. So this relates to the element of fire. And of course, there's a lot of fire in the kitchen because you have the stove and everything, all that heat's in there. But you can also decorate with colors like orange and yellow and red. The master bedroom is in the southwest corner, and this relates to the element of earth. So you'll see I have decorated with this beautiful Krishna picture where he's in the hills and everything like that to bring in the earth element. It's also really important to remember that in the rooms where you sleep, the head of the bed should be facing south. Because of the way energy moves, you'll get your best night's sleep if your head is facing in the south. So the guest bedroom is in the northwest corner, and this relates to the element of air. So you'll see I have these bird pictures in here, which relates to air and flight. Now in the very center of the room, this is called the Brahma Chharia, and this is supposed to be like an empty space. That relates to the element of space. And you'll see I have these beautiful skylights above that let in light, both solar energy and lunar energy. And that right in the middle where the Brahma Chharia is, it's pretty open to leave space there for that element. When we first started designing this house, I consulted with Michael Mastro. He is with Vastu-creations.com, and he is an expert in all things Vastu. He helped me come up with the layout for the house, and he gave personal recommendations based on my Jyotish chart and my husband's Jyotish chart for exactly where we should put things. So that's the place. I hope you enjoyed your tour. Thank you for coming. Don't be a stranger. And if you want to know Vastu, go to Vastu-creations.com. Have a great day. Bye.